Would you like to partner with One Whole Heart Ministry and bring healing to the hearts of people through the power of the Holy Spirit? Would you like to partner with One Whole Heart Ministry and bring healing around the world by one person at a time as Jesus heals the hearts? This is a thorough healing process that is unique, that absolutely changes people's lives. Our goal is to bring people into their call and their destiny. What God created each person for from the beginning of time, their call and their destiny. From the beginning of time, God knew you, and He had a plan for you. He had a plan for all our lives. And our goal at One Whole Heart Ministry is to bring each person into that call and that plan. But it begins with healing. It begins with the One Whole Heart Ministry process. This is a 27-week course to learn the beginning, foundational level tools and process to bring God's healing to the hearts of people. The fruit of this, or the fruit for people, will be peace and rest and intimacy with the Lord, in eliminating those tormenting feelings of anxiety and fear and sadness and depression and anger and confusion, and along with racing thoughts and numbness. One Whole Heart Ministry's goal goes way beyond this. This is not a mastery level course, but a beginning level. This level 2 training is to learn the entry level process and techniques to bring healing into people's hearts. Classes will be held on Monday evenings and Thursday afternoons, and there will be a workshop on Friday mornings. It's not necessary for you to be at classes both on Mondays and Thursday, but it would be nice for everyone to be at the Friday morning workshop. Training will allow you to partner with one of our Whole Heart ministers and learn to minister God's healing process. This is, again, a complex process that is absolutely life-changing. We do not allow fees to be charged for this healing process, and we are looking for those that would partner with us to bring forth healing around the world. We already have a large backlog of those people wanting to receive healing, and it's going to only increase and multiply because of this incredible process. If you believe God has called you to be a world changer, one person at a time, partner with One Whole Heart Ministry to bring healing to the world. Please go on our website and sign up for the upcoming training.